What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now in today's video, we're going to be changing it up a little bit. Instead of working on the engine, we are going to work on updating / restoring the trunk space in my 1997 Honda Civic. Now the reason we got to do this is because I want to clean it up in there, I want to manage my wires a little bit better, and just make the car easier to work on and make the trunk a little nicer because it was looking pretty crusty before. I'll put that before picture right here. Yeah, not good. It was kind of just all hacked up so we could get to the dyno in time. So yeah, we'll be making that a little bit better today, and this is how we do it. So starting off, I removed the old crusty battery and power wires, as well as the spare tire cover and the spare tire itself. I took a few measurements and made a new spare tire cover, as well as a shelf to mount my electronics to. Sanded the edges smooth before gluing down some fresh carpet, and by carpet I mean cut up doormat from Menards, which is actually a better option in my opinion since it is durable, easy to cut, and you can put a shit ton of glue under it since the rubber layer won't let it bleed through. Next, I attach my shelf to the spare tire cover using 90-degree shelf brackets and some wood screws. Then I attach my Odyssey battery and bracket, and now we are ready to test fit it in the car. Everything looked good, so the next morning I started wiring everything I needed and mounted it to the back side of the shelf. This included attaching my main circuit breaker, extending and mounting my fuel pump relay, adding a dedicated relay and circuit breaker for my oil scavenge pump, and managing all the loose wires by wrapping them in wire loom and tucking them out of the way. Results, here's the before, and here's the after. Alright, so there you have it. I'm pretty happy with the results. I wasn't looking for anything like show car quality or anything like that. I just wanted to clean it up, make it a little bit more organized, which helps quite a bit when it comes to troubleshooting the problems that pop up on the car. And we all know we got a lot of problems that pop up on this car. And having those wood surfaces in there makes it super easy to manage your electrical components and your wires and everything like that, which will help with future modifications. Over the winter, one of the things I plan on doing to this car is installing a pretty nice sound system into it, and having those wood panels in there helps a lot with mounting components and everything like that. So that should be exciting, and yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Until then, make sure you're not missing out on Gideon's videos every Friday, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye!